Hey you guys, welcome to one more video. MARLIN 2.0 is getting more and more popular every day, and we see not only new printers coming out with this version, but also older models being upgraded with it as well. The 2.0 turned a new leaf with the redesign of the code, new features, and support for 32-bit boards. In today's video, we will show you how you can add a few games that you can play on your 3D printer using MARLIN 2.0. Any printer that supports MARLIN 2.0 can run these games, and they run on both 8-bit and 32-bit boards. For this upgrade, we will use our Creality Ender 3 Pro. Remember, for this to work, you need to install the new MARLIN 2.0, so if you are not comfortable doing this, don't install it. Start by downloading MARLIN 2.0 firmware. The link for it you can find below in the video description. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the zip file. Inside the config and examples folder, you have the Creality Ender 3 config files. Copy all of them into the MARLIN folder, overriding the old ones. Open marlin.ino with the Arduino software. If this is your first time flashing any firmware, especially for this Ender 3 printer, then you must install the bootloader first. The bootloader installation is explained in detail in the different videos, so check the video description below for the link. Now that you are here, you can check all the firmware settings and edit some of them if you prefer. Now, to activate the games, you need to go to the Configuration ADV tab. Then, look for the game options. In there, you have 3 games: Breakout, Space Invaders, and Snake. Uncomment which game you like, or all of them, by deleting the 2 slashes. If you have the stock Ender 3 board, you probably will not have enough internal memory to install all 3 games at the same time, so you have to choose 1 or 2 of them. Connect your printer to the PC with the USB cable, select the correct COM port, and upload the firmware. Wait for the upload to be completed, disconnect the USB cable, and turn on the printer. And now, let's test the games. Enter the menu and then go to the About option. The games will be found there. Select the game you want to play and have fun. And that's it, you guys. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos. And follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you like our work and wish to help the channel, you can with Patreon or PayPal. We will see you guys next time. Bye!